Truth is collision. The truth needs no defense. The reason why we call this collision-based sales is because it is a collision with the story that is prevailing. It's the status quo. It's the belief system, the worldview right now that a provider or someone has about something that's just not true. It's not true. If it was true, we wouldn't be colliding with it. We would be agreeing with it. We would be collaborating with it. If a doctor has a better test than the laboratory that I'm representing, why in the hell would I ask them to switch? Who's it benefiting? They got a better turnaround time. They got a better panel. They got more metabolites and analytes. They got a great relationship with their salesperson. Their lab's in network, right? They're bulletproof. Next, there's somebody out there that has a horrible situation. Every sales leader I've ever heard wants people to try to do things that are hard. Why would I go there whenever they're good? Next, go to the next one. Go to the next one. There's somebody that is in a desperate situation that wants your laboratory products. If you're selling the truth, if you're representing a laboratory that tells the truth, if you're representing a laboratory that actually does what they say they're going to do, right? If you're not, reach out to us, please. We'll look to place you at one that does. There's not a lot of them, but we know some.